head right now, and the sun is like right in my eyes. But anyway, today I'm going to be doing a day in my life video. I'm not going to school today. I'm going to school today. I have a dentist appointment to go to. Me and Zen, we have a dentist appointment to go to. I still have to do my assignments though, because they are going to be posting stuff on to Google Classroom. So we'll be having a pretty productive day out of school. I just feel like relaxing all day. It's 8:36. And yeah, I'm gonna start getting ready in a few minutes. I don't know. That's basically what's going on in today's video. So guys, as you can see, right now I'm trying to cut a pair of leggings because I have biker shorts and I don't have them anymore. So I found some leggings and I'm about to cut them and you guys are about to watch me fail. So yeah. Guys, I honestly feel like they look so uneven. Do they look even? I cannot tell. I'm gonna try them on later and then I'm gonna see how they look on me, but I feel like they look so uneven. Yeah, I'm gonna kind of do my no makeup thing and then I'm gonna pick out an outfit. I'm literally rushing right now and I need to hurry up. So we're leaving at 9:45 and then it's 9:10, so I have like 35 minutes to get ready, so I'm gonna go get ready now. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm about to just hurry up and quickly do my makeup. I'm not gonna talk. Why did I just lie like that? Anyway, I'm literally out of breath. I cannot. I have to hurry up with my eyebrows and I already know they're gonna look bad because I'm about to like rush doing them. I'm so excited to get contacts, and then I hate wearing my glasses because they fog up if I don't put them on right with my mask, or they fall off while my mask is on. Just imagine how annoying that is. I hate it so much. I recurled the ends of my hair. I don't know if you guys can really tell or see a difference, but I recurled the ends of my hair last night. I just put curling rods on them. This morning, before I started filming, I just took them out and some of them look really weird and then others just like didn't really curl at all. But like at least they're not like really straight. I've been doing my eyebrows so bad lately. I've been having terrible eyebrow days. It's just like at this point I don't even know how to do my eyebrows anymore. Especially since I've been rushing so much. They just don't look right. Okay, so this is the simple makeup look that we're doing today that I literally do every day. Literally just the bare minimum, you know? Yeah. Okay, so now that I finished doing my makeup, it's time for my outfit. For my outfit, I'm gonna be wearing these biker shorts that you guys just saw me cut out. This black top that I cannot, okay. I'm gonna show you guys like once I turn the camera around, but this black shirt right here, and then this white, I'm gonna show you guys, this white cardigan. Yeah, this white cardigan right here, and put this on my bed. And I'm gonna show you guys the full outfit one, it's all like put together and stuff. And then I'm gonna wear my Jordans. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay out like a neat display of my outfit. Then I'm gonna show you guys what we are working with. Okay, so here is my outfit. I just have the Jordans, the biker shorts that I just cut, this black shirt, cardigan, and this black and white tote bag. And yeah, this is pretty much my entire outfit, just black and white themed, very simple. Hi guys, so I took a nap and right now it's 4:50 and I think I took my nap at like 2:14. Did I sleep with my makeup on? Yes, I did. I don't know why I did that, but I did. I'm gonna start doing some work later, but for now, I just woke up, so I'm just going to continue to chill out. It looks really nice outside. I live on a very busy street, so it's like always noisy. But yeah, I think I'm gonna film a little bit of me doing some work, but for now, I'm not doing any work right now, so I'll talk to you guys a bit later. Guys, I started to get a bit hungry while I was finishing up with my homework. I'm about to make myself 2 fried eggs for dinner. I don't really know if this is considered dinner because it really isn't much, but I'm going to call it dinner.